Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're taking the GPZ to a motorcycle bike night. So stay with us. We're gonna ride out there and we're gonna see what's out there. So guys, we just went out to you saw it, we just rode out to a bike night. I didn't get any footage while I was there, just wanted to be, you know, wanted to be respectful on my first time out there. The old GPZ was the only non-Harley out there, which, let me say that again. The GPZ and an Indian were the only non-Harleys out there, which we had a lot of fun. You know, it was good. Guys, if you go out to a bike night, it doesn't matter what you're riding. That's the way I look at it, as long as it's called a bike night. So just go. If you go by yourself, you're going to stay by yourself unless you reach out to folks, unless you engage with people. Other than that, you're going to be you're going to be just walking around and you're going to be leaving. You're going to go to a bike night and you might as well stay at home in your garage because you'd be the same thing. Do that. Get out there. Ride your bikes, get out, meet people. It doesn't matter what they're riding. That's the way I look at it. I'm into whatever you're into. Doesn't matter what it is. I don't know anything about them, so I like going out and talking to people about their motorcycles, because especially Harleys, because I know nothing about them. So just get out there. Get out there, share whatever you have with whoever wants to look at it. Just go there and have a good time. It's what we did. You know, so it was a lot of fun. We had fun. We went out there. We'll do it again. They do it every Thursday, so I'll ride out there every Thursday. I may ride a different bike. I may keep riding the GPZ. Who knows? I wasn't planning on making a video. I was going out testing the GoPro to see if it would overheat with a different kind of setup. And good news is that it didn't overheat. So that was mainly what we were doing. So when I left, I hadn't recorded an outro. That's why I had to do one after we got back, because I didn't know where I was going. I was just out riding around. And then I was almost there and I remembered that they had a bike night, so I was in that area, so I said, let me just stop. And that's what we did. So just get out there, ride your motorcycle. That's the most important thing. Moral of the story is ride your motorcycles. I'd share them with everybody else. So guys, thanks for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're in the subscribing mood, just wander on over to our friends. Brickhouse Builds, Gold Guy, Moto Mango, Ace Cafe Bikes, Mile Zero Racers, Pete's Classic Cycle, and Lady Moto Bang. And give those guys a subscribe too. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day. GoPro.